So this is Domio. It's a helmet system for ski and snowboarding. They launched on Kickstarter and Indiegogo, did a total of 750K. Super cool, Bluetooth, water resistant. And here you go. So if you want to understand kind of like what this looks like or how it works, we're going to open it up here in a second, but basically it's 360 degree audio for your helmet. You basically put this on top of your helmet, and what it does is it basically like transfers energy through solid materials, allowing you to hear music basically through your helmet, which I think is super cool. I've never seen anything like this before. And so I know they've got a couple different versions. They have this version. They also have a Moto version, which is louder for motorcycles. And then they have a Pro version that I believe integrates calling. But let's do a quick unboxing here, shall we? Let's open it. Ooh. There we go. So we've got the USB micro. You've got the helmet mount, so that goes on to the helmet. And then this is it. This is Domio. And so that would just slide in right there. Looks like we got a couple different ones for a couple different helmets if you want to switch it out, you know. But super cool. Power button. Let's see if that turns on. There we go. Wow, I can actually feel it, you know, when that turned on. I could feel the vibrations coming through that. So super cool. That's a really awesome product. I can't wait to try it out on some slopes.